y is equal to x squared plus c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 3x. Dalawa yung constant natin. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang beses tayo mag-differentiate. Differentiate natin. Y prime is equal to 2x plus 2c1 e raised to 2x plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. Differentiate ulit natin, y double prime is equal to 2 plus 4, 2 times 2, 4, c1 e raised to 2x plus 3 times 3 is 9, 9c2 e raised to 3x. So, first natin gagawin is label natin equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. First is multiply natin by 3 ang equation 1. Tignan natin. Multiply natin by 3. So, magiging 3y is equal to 3x squared plus 3c1 e raised to 2x plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. Next is copy lang natin tong equation 2. Magiging y prime is equal to 2x plus 2c1 e raised to 2x plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. Para makancel natin tong dalawa, multiply natin ito by negative. So, makakancel na natin siya kasi 3 magiging na tong negative 3c2 e raised to 3x. So, cancel and simplify natin. Magiging y prime minus 3y is equal to 2x minus 3x squared plus 2 minus 3 is negative 1 c1 e raised to 2x. Next is multiply naman natin tong equation 2 by 3. Tapos equate natin dito. Multiply natin by 3. 3y prime is equal to 6x plus 6c1 e raised to 2x plus 6 plus 3 times 3, 9, c2 e raised to 3x. Copy natin to, equation 3, magiging y double prime is equal to 2 plus 4c1 e raised to 2x plus 9c2 e raised to 3x. Multiply natin ito by negative para makancel natin tong dalawa. So, magiging y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to 2 minus 6x. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. c1 e raised to 2x. 9 minus 9, cancel. Next is we can pwede natin makuha itong 2c1, itong c1 e raised to 2x dito. So, try natin. From this, gawin natin, ayusin natin yung, i-manipulate natin yung equation. Magiging y prime minus 3y minus 2x plus 3x squared minus c1 e raised to 2x. So, yun ang gawin natin. c1 e raised to 2x is, palit natin to dito. So, makikita natin, based dito sa equation na to, may negative c1x, which is this one. So, substitute natin yung value. Magiging y prime minus 3y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to 2 minus 6x plus 2 times ito. Kasi ito na yung negative c1 e raised to 2x. So, magiging y prime minus 3y minus 2x plus 3x squared. Simplify natin. Y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to 2 minus 6x plus 2y prime minus 6y minus 4x plus 6x squared. So from that, meron tayong mga like terms. Ito, magiging y double prime negative 3y prime minus 3y minus 2y prime is negative 5y prime. Tapos, pwede pa natin to magiging 10, negative 10x. Para lipat natin sa right side, ay sa left side ng equation, so magiging positive 10x. Next is, lipat na natin yung mga nakitira. Negative 2, negative 6, positive 6y, plus 6x squared, minus 6xy, equal to 0. So, lipat lang natin itong mga x values sa right side para mas maayos. Pati itong constant. Magiging lang y double prime minus 5y prime plus 6y equal to positive 6x squared minus 10x plus 2. So, check natin kung tama ba yung sagot natin. Y double prime minus 5y prime plus 6y is equal to 6x squared minus 10x plus 2. So, yan na yung final answer.